Is the idea of making money while playing a game something you've ever considered? Roblox is one of the games where you may truly get money by playing. Some of you may be puzzled as to what Roblox is. To clarify, Roblox is not a game. Rather, it is a platform on which users may play games created by a wide variety of different developers. Roblox is a fun, risk-free online game for kids. What's even better is that they can use this platform to actually earn real money. Learn everything you need to know about selling and earning from your items in Roblox with this digital guide. This is your one and only digital guide. Hi everyone! I'll be showing you how to make money off of Roblox by reselling your items. To start off, just hop onto Roblox's official website, roblox.com. Again, Roblox is a fantastic online gaming platform where you can have access to millions of games. The next step is to sign into your Roblox account, or if you don't have an account yet, just proceed to fill in your details and click on the sign up button to create a new account. Don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to sign up. Since we may earn money in Roblox, most players have asked how to go about selling their creations. So, in Roblox, we get to customize our avatars with a wide variety of clothes, accessories, and even emotions. There's also the in-game currency known as Robux. You can pay for things using this. The good news is that we can turn this Robux into an actual money. So how do we turn this into money? You can make money by selling your stuff in different basic ways. But before that, of course, you need to buy your items before you can sell them. Avatar Shop is where you should go. With a single click of the View All Items button, we gain access to a wide range of items. Avatars can be customized in many ways, with clothes, accessories, emotes, and animations. What's good is that we can get this for free. From the View All Items, we can see the accessories, clothing, emotions, and animations. Don't hesitate to choose whatever you like as long as it's free. So, for example, let's click on the clothing. In here, there will be t-shirts, shirts, and sweaters. Let's click on the t-shirts and we can choose this black Roblox t-shirt. But again, it's up to you whatever design or type you like. So, let's go ahead and click this one to see its type, description, and genre. If you think this is great, let's choose this one. Just simply select Get. Then a window will appear with a message, just click Get Now. Then it will be placed in the inventory, where you may access all of our purchased characters and things at any time. But before we get into the exciting part, please let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to read that later on. And also, don't forget to hit that like button if you are enjoying this video. So, going back, once that's done, we're free to sell whatever we like. One of the different options for selling your items is having them listed in the official store. We can go there just by clicking the 3 lines on the upper left corner of the home page. And from there, select the official store. And on the official store, it will direct you to where you can sell your items. We may also engage in trading with your friends. This is another way of earning money on Roblox. You can trade items for money. I see that's how the buying and selling system on Roblox works. You can trade with your buddies if you have a lot of stuff. Buying and selling is an option for acquiring new things and enhancing your current collection. Another way is that you can become a premium member of Roblox, which would allow you to sell stuff to other players. Here, you'll find the Get Premium option that will show you how to get premium. It'll scroll down to where the monthly membership is listed. Naturally, there will be a fee associated with this. Afterwards, Roblox will let you make your own content. You get to make new things or create new emotions, design new clothes, accessories, hair, and characters, and even create a new game for others to play where you can expect to earn a lot of money. If you don't have access to a premium account, however, you can still make money by trading your things with other players or purchasing items for free in the Avatar Shop. The process of buying and selling items on Roblox Premium is simple and entertaining, once you know how these things work. The nicest part about Roblox is that anyone can join in seconds and start generating money while having fun playing games. You're making games and other content, which boosts your productivity. It's possible to monetize your gaming time as well. Again, there are multiple ways on how you can sell your items in Roblox. All you have to do is simply trade it with your friends or just list it on the official store. Another way is for you to subscribe to a premium account and get a chance to create your own items, or may even create your new game. The best part of Roblox is how quickly anyone can sign up to play games and earn money. You can go ahead, log into roblox.com and check it out now. If you like this video, please subscribe to Digital Guide for more money-making content like this. I'll see you in the next video!